Hello guys, I hope we're all well, and greetings from a 22 degree 6 o'clock San Jose here in Ibiza. I'm going to get straight into this vlog. I'm about to start a 21 kilometer half marathon all the way to Ibiza Town. It's a busy week for me this week with the run-in in preparation for London. 21k today, 12k race next Saturday. Let's get a move on, see what happens along the way, and I will see you in Ibiza Town at the finish line, hopefully.
Las motos, vamos a rodar.
We are almost at kilometre 8, which is my least favourite part of the course because of the incline. We've come down past Tropicana, past Blue Marlin, and now it's up the hill. Kilometre 10, that's the second drink stop. It is hot out here, as you can probably tell by my red face. Cheers everybody, almost halfway there. That is the 15k mark and the final water stop. I've got to admit, I'm struggling because of the heat. Hopefully the crowds in Ibiza Town will keep me going. Next stop, the finish line, I hope. Well, we made it guys, just there is the medal to prove it. That was tough, enjoyed it, now it's over. How I'm going to do that again for London, twice that distance, I'm not quite sure. Hopefully it won't be as hot as Ibiza. Okay, so we are the day before the race, almost 24 hours to the minute, and I'm heading across to Santa Eulalia because I have to pick up my race bib. For those of you not familiar with the race day protocol, usually it's the day before the race. You head across to an exhibition centre and there you can collect your race bibs, also get anything else that you need for the race. They have the stalls there selling trainers, socks, energy gels, fruit, t-shirts, sportswear, whatever you need you can get it there. So yeah, I'm heading across. I'm meeting my cousin and a few other people who are taking part in the race and soak up some pre-12k race atmosphere. Okay, there we go, race bib collected. I have the goodie bag, race number 5403. Not quite sure what else we have in there, but also I couldn't resist these bad boys. They are the official Ibiza Marathon running shoes. Look how cool they are, Ibiza down the side. So looking forward to giving these a test run. One of the benefits of racing is the night before you get to carb load to give you energy to get you through the race, and I've found that Italian cuisine is the best to do that. So I'm back in San Antonio on the promenade. I'm going to go to a place called Bresca. It's a great little Italian restaurant. Sometimes I have entertainment on, sometimes I have singers, musicians. The food's amazing, but wait till I show you the toilet. So here we are in Santa Eulalia with just 1 hour to go until the start of the 12k. It's been raining all day long, but thankfully it stopped and I can almost see some sunshine coming through. Now I haven't ran all week since last week's marathon, So I'm hoping that I have fresh legs, carry me through this 12K, and I'm looking forward to it. We have just 2 weeks to go now until the big one, till London. So getting even more nervous, but looking forward to it. So right, let's head down to the start line, see what's going on. Wish me luck. I'm also looking forward to trying out these new bad boys. What do you make of my socks? Many people don't like them. We are off 12 kilometers, Es Canar and back. Here we go. Here we are, guys, the finish line.
Multiple meters, last meters for you. Congratulations.
And guys, just in case you never believed me, there's the medal to prove it. Remember, I am running for Macmillan Cancer Support, so please donate, help them out if you can. So that is it, guys, the second race in a week, the end of the 12K. So I'm going to say that's the end of the vlog because I'm absolutely shattered. 2 weeks to London, that's the big one. If anyone can sponsor me for that, it would be greatly appreciated. I'll put the link down below. See you on the next vlog, guys. Thank you.